他のカメに比べて足が速い赤ちゃんが目が生まれて、それはなんか理にかな
うわ、何や。
Hey, yo, yeah, you, man.
You keep saying you care about me and sharing is caring, but those are all lies. In the game's heat, you'll see if you're the one your kitty truly trusts the most.
Sorry.
You won't get your cat's love and trust unless they really want it.
Alright.
Нащо тобі той кіт?
I'll help you to straighten your back and keep the aches away.
Так, коротше, не нервюй ти мене.
Ну тобі оце без котів жизнь погано.
Оксана!
Don't forget your main job, pet owner, even when you're busy.
Hi, look what I made for you. A little pillow.
It's a Tortugo. He loves it.
My God.
Sharing dinner makes it taste better because that joy brings the divine space. A true friend always cares about you in everything you do, even when others don't. Making use of your cuteness as a job, turns out it doesn't feel so bad. Cats usually hate sharing food, but they'll make exceptions for people they adore. He wants to help his owner move more than just watch TV. Health comes first, after all.
Şifre. Ini ya. Ayo. Ayo tolong. Ayo.
True love doesn't always need direct expression. The cat just wants to protect his mother's health. These furballs might act like this, but actually, they're into playing with you. When your bond hits a certain level, you just know you can do it without her complaining. Good thing you feed me 3 times a day and pet me, or I wouldn't forgive you for all this. Proof that the longer you play together, the more you start looking alike. With a little trick, it's not too hard to win over a sassy cat, you know? Don't joke with my meow, young lady. Kitties may not make noise, but they're still like alarms to keep you awake. I hope others buy his reason for not replying to messages fast.
Вместе.
If you've been together long enough, you and your furry friend are alike inside out.
И вообще удобно.
Do you know a true friend has this extra role? Our little boy got paid peanuts, so he had to work overtime. Sometimes it just takes a moment to go from strange to familiar, but that brings companionship's warmth.
Go.
Once you're in a relationship, this is the usual way your girlfriend acts. They should start a new fashion trend ASAP. That kitten accessory is so eye-catching. With a little help from your bestie, your dream of being a cheetah could totally happen. I wonder how this passenger's gonna pay for this ride. Hopefully he has cash besides being cute. Girls are super emotional. If you're not subtle consoling her, you might spend all day at it. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.